Phuket court opened tourist court to build trust in law proceedings. Phuket court opened tourist court to build trust in law proceedings. Recently at Phuket Provincial Court in Ampher Mueang, Jangwat Phuket, Mr. Pairot Wayupap, President of the Supreme Court, chaired the opening of a second tourist court in Thailand which would provide tourists with fair dealings under the Thai law so that they are treated fairly as any Thai citizen. Joining him were Mr. Wirat, Secretary General of the Office of the Judiciary, Mr. Somsak Puri Si Sak, Minister of Tourism and Sports, Phuket's Governor, Phuket Court Chief, judges, attorneys, lawyers, police officers, and related officers. Mr. Pairot Wayupap said that with the number of tourists to Thailand reaching over 20 million a year and a fair number visiting Phuket, the trend is set to increase exponentially. This phenomenon will result in incidents and cases involving tourists which will be quite different from other lawsuits and therefore calls for a special body dedicated especially for these types of problems. The opening of the tourist court in Phuket, which is the second in the country, has received support from the Ministry of Tourism and Sports. To build trust and confidence for tourists, the tourist court was set up to help tourists facing complaints or filing lawsuits themselves. The court will also act as intermediary and assist in calling of witnesses to help expedite cases fairly and quickly. Altogether, it is expected that 7 tourist courts attached to provincial and district courts will be opened and in operation in Pattaya, Chiang Mai, Phuket, Samui, Krabi, Pathumwan, and Dusit in Bangkok by the end of the year. Mr. Somsak Puri Si Sak, Minister of Tourism and Sports, said that according to policy laid down by the Prime Minister, the Minister of Tourism and Sports is to coordinate with concerning offices to help tourists achieve satisfactory outcomes when faced with court cases under Thai law. This, he said, would build a strong image for Thailand as a leading country in the area of the tourism industry.